All right, this right here is something I am really stoked to share with you guys. It's something I've been waiting on for a while, and also it's actually a first for this channel. Now today is actually kind of a personal catch-up day for me and just a bunch of personal creative work. So it's a busy day, but first, before we do anything else, we gotta get a workout in. All right, workout complete. Definitely a little sweaty. Had a nice little push day. Finished it off with 20 minutes of cardio on the Stairmaster. But I'm serious, if you're ever feeling in like a funk, like a creative funk, or even just like about your health, hitting the gym, anything like that, getting a good sweat in just honestly makes me feel so much better. So head home right now, about to hit up the grocery store, get stocked up for the week, and then it's time to get some work done. I'll catch up with you guys here in a little bit. All right, so before we get any further into this video, something I recently received. It's this right here by a company called Deity. But basically it is just a tiny little microphone, perfect for vlogging. It seems like it's similar to the Rode Video Micro, which a lot of times I use. So let me actually throw this on top of this camera and we'll kind of see how this thing sounds throughout the rest of this video. All right, so this is what's actually in this box. Just a small little microphone here, perfect for vlogging. It does not require a battery, which I do really like. And then the yellow, which is kind of Deity's signature color. All right, and now this is with the new Deity D4 mini microphone on here. So I love that it's small. I love that it doesn't require a battery, because usually, most of the time I honestly vlog with this microphone right here. It's the Rode Video Mic Pro Plus. So this thing is around, I think, $300 and more once you get the dead cat. And that D4 mini is significantly less and takes no battery. So we'll see how this thing sounds. Let me know down in the comments below if this microphone still sounds like pretty decent quality. Now at this point, we've lived here for coming up on 5 months. So this home office is kind of pretty much done, at least how I wanted it to be. And I still really love hanging out in here and getting work done in here. But I feel like I haven't showed you guys around the office lately, especially with a couple things I've kind of added to the space. Now this by no means is an official office tour. I do plan on doing that again at some point because you guys really enjoyed my last one at my last apartment. But I figured I'd give you guys a little update today on this space and show you around the office. Let's do it. Also, I think I realized I'm just too tall for like anything I do. My head is still cut off, and my tripod is literally as tall as it can go. All right, so here we are. So obviously this is the main workspace, which we'll get to in a second. But over here, just briefly, I want to show you guys, this is my custom PC, my little gaming setup. This is something that is just really for fun for me. This is just where I play some games with some homies. Just a good way to blow off some steam and catch up with friends, everything like that. And I wanted it to be part of my office still. Now this is kind of the entertainment and storage area over here. If you guys have been watching vlogs on this channel for a couple months now, you know I decided to put a TV up on this wall, and I actually love this, whether it would be, you know, I put up the NBA finals while I was like working on stuff here in the evening. Now this I still get asked about quite a bit. It's just like a Husky workbench. Shout out to Matt Day. I saw him use this for the same thing, just storing camera gear and different things like that. And it's definitely not organized. It's just a little messy in there, but that's just the raw and honest truth. This is the Godox SL60W with the aperture lantern on top. And then the other one I have is an Aperture 120D Mark II with the Light Dome Mark II. Those are my main two lights. They're honestly great for video and photography, and they're really important for me here in this office because although I do have this one window, I don't get a ton of natural light in here. So especially if I'm trying to record or I just need a little ambiance in the evenings while I'm working, yeah, these two lights are my main things. Now this right here is probably my favorite part of my entire office, but I do need some suggestions from you guys of other things you want to see on the shelves. Obviously, I love sneakers, so I have some of my favorite sneakers up here. I have the first film camera that I bought back in college. Got my Kobe poster up there, my Rode Pod mic, which Real talk, I absolutely love this thing. Maybe I will do a video talking about this a little bit more in the future. Got to keep the photo of the beautiful girlfriend and myself right here. Then down below, I just have like a printer, router, that kind of stuff, and then a little bit of storage. So let me know down in the comments below, what do you guys think I should add to this? Now, obviously going along with the backdrop, we have my favorite part of the office, and that is the mini fridge. It's looking a little bare right now, but still have my Ghost Energies, some 3Ds, some other things I'm trying down there. Now this I'm actually really excited about. So if you guys didn't know, I actually have a second YouTube channel. It will be linked down below, but basically I taste test and review different energy drinks. I thought it would be a fun little side thing to do. And I love the Ghost Energy products, and they just came out with this one. So I did just shoot and edit a video on this for that channel. I actually need to finish uploading it tonight, but I will have it linked down below if you guys want to check it out. Now this, we're gonna get to this here in a minute, but this is my main work area, right? So this is where I edit photos, this is where I edit my YouTube videos, and I have really learned to love the L-shaped desk. It's really nice to have the extra real estate, so you know, if I'm working on the ultra wide over here, it's really nice, but sometimes I want to just have just the plain laptop over here, or maybe I'm writing notes and I can just have it on this side of my workbench, and then that way, you know, I can watch some content up there, or just have a clean space, especially for filming YouTube videos, or even some overhead photos. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I take a lot of my photos right here, and yeah, I've just really learned to love this desk and this space. All right, so let's get into this, because this is something I'm really excited to share with you guys. So this is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open this up. And for the reveal, let me know if any of you guys guessed this down in the comments below. Now, this collaboration is something that I'm super excited about. Cuts is a really cool clothing brand that makes like premium t-shirts, hoodies, everything like that, which is just on point for myself, especially with, you know, whether you are going out, you're getting dinner, or maybe you are on like a long shoot day where you just need black clothing, because we all know if you're on set, you usually wear all black everything, and if it's breathable and like stretchy, that is what I am looking for. So Cuts is just a no-brainer for me, and once I talked to some of the people over there at the company, and then once I got some of their products in my hands and was actually able to try them out, it just made perfect sense for me. Now in this little care package, they sent me over a couple black t-shirts. We have a granite t-shirt, let's see, a mulberry color. And you know what? Let me throw one on real quick. All right, and now I'm rocking the Black Crew Hem Tee. Now this is super stretchy, it's breathable, it hugs your arms in all the right spots, so it looks like you work out even more than you already do. And one of my favorite things about them is they have super minimal branding, so there's no branding on the front or back. The only branding there is at the bottom right here on their t-shirts, and it's just a small little logo with the X right there. So personally for myself, I have been loving these for shoot days. You know, you might be on set for 10 or 12 hours. You need something that is breathable and fabric that can move with you, and these have been awesome. And the minimal branding is also a plus, especially on set. But honestly, these would be perfect on pretty much any occasion. So whether it be a shoot day, maybe you're going out for dinner or drinks with your friends, or you just need like a go-to t-shirt in your closet that's gonna make you feel good and confident, Cuts has you covered. And if you guys want to check out any other products for yourself, go through that first link in the description below and save yourself 15% on your order. All right, so right now what I am doing, and probably what I'm gonna be doing the rest of the evening, is trying to get some of the personal creative content done, right? So I try to kind of get caught up or kind of ahead of the game on my weekend for the week, just because, you know, with a normal work week, I really can only work a little bit in the evenings. So I'm trying to get ahead of everything before Monday starts. So right now I'm actually publishing the video that I was talking about earlier with the Ghost Energy flavor on that second channel, just for fun. It's kind of just a fun thing for me to do and try out different camera settings, different things kind of behind the scenes, especially with like YouTube analytics and stuff. And then I need to finish off the edit and the thumbnail for the next YouTube video, which by now you guys have already seen because it's out on my channel, the 10 things I can't live without. I just have a couple finishing touches to put on that video. I'm really excited to share it. I think it's gonna be a fun one, and I hope it does well. So right now I'm feeling like I'm in a good space. The channel's doing great. I have a lot of cool new ideas I wanna bring to the channel. So guys, I think that's gonna be it for me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching watching and kind of seeing a little behind the scenes of this office, and definitely stay tuned to the channel in the future for that full office tour of this new space. So guys, I think I'm gonna end the video right here. If you did enjoy watching, will you drop this video a thumbs up? If you're new around here, consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. And I will catch you guys in the next video very, very soon. Peace, guys.